Hello and welcome to Currency Call. I'm Manisha Gupta. Let's start with the dollar, which has hit a 3-month low versus the Japanese yen today, sparking concerns that Japan may step in to curb the Japanese yen strength. Positive German data also lifted the euro against the greenback, and the dollar index is currently trading at around 79, just about holding that level. But the traders expect the euro to remain under pressure till Greece reaches a deal with its private lenders. The single currency on your screens holding above that 1.31 mark. In Asia, most of the Asian currencies snapped gains as investors booked profits on the recent strength. The South Korean won took a knock on weak export data, while the Indonesian rupiah and the Thai baht and Taiwanese dollar as well declined on profit-taking. The Indian rupee also declined, tracking rest of the Asian currencies and a weak stock market as well. Rupee on your screens at 49.30, so a 0.25% of an increase coming in for that. Let's go across to Pramit Brahmbhatt. He is CEO ALPARI Financials and he joins us in Ahmedabad studios. Pramit, hi, welcome to the show. Let's start with the Indian rupee first, and the kind of gains that we saw in Jan. Feb more or less has been choppy but has seen strength continue.
Yes, as we discussed earlier, that now rupee is in the free flow movement, and we will see rupee even appreciate from this level. We have seen the resistance in last few days around 49.30 level, and that's very important level. Once we go above this level around 48.90 level is another resistance, but it seems that the rupee is back on track.
Are you looking at levels like 49.20, 49 in coming sessions?
I would say the next level, important level is 48.90, and that has a strong resistance for rupee. I would say that in coming weeks we can see level of 48.90 kind of levels in coming weeks.
Pramit, the data from the US in the last couple of sessions hasn't been so good, whether it was housing or consumer confidence, and the dollar index clearly has declined. How are you looking at the index now?
It depends more on the Bank of Japan whether they're going to intervene or not, and the second point is coming from the European market, where Greece is almost in the confrontation more, where they are not ready to take the austerity measures. But if we see that if the European crisis or the existing summit gives better hope, then definitely we will see that rupee will gain, and same thing will be reflected in the dollar index as well.
How about the euro? Because the news information from that area just continues to flow, and more bad than good. How are you looking at the euro ranges now?
1.32 is an important level for euro. If we look at last few days and even in last week, where euro has made a high of 1.32. 40 levels and going down up to 1.29. The important thing to see is not breaching 1.28 level, which is a strong support level for euro. So if it remains above 1.28 and the range of 1.30 to 32, then once the existing confrontational situation ease out, we will see that euro dollar will move above 1.32 in the range of 1.33-34, and that will help the other currencies as well.
How do you look at the commodity currencies? Because Australian dollar gained 3.5%, New Zealand dollar was up 5% in the month of January. Today, of course, seems to be a day of profit taking for most of the currencies. But looking at the strength that commodities have garnered, do you see strength continue here?
I would say yes, that the strength will continue in the commodity currency, and the same thing we are expecting due to the some sort of easy feeling or more positive feeling has come in the European investors, where the debt market in the Europe has done comparatively good in the beginning of this year, and that is giving some sort of positive sign, and definitely there will be a beneficial thing for the commodity currency, where easing in the European crisis will definitely increase the supply demand of commodity, and that will support the commodity currencies.
All right, Pramit, we'll let you go at that. Thank you so much for joining us. So that's the scenario coming in from ALPARI. They expect the rupee to continue to appreciate. 49 could be breached. The level that they are watching out for is 48.90 in the coming few sessions. With that, it's a wrap on this segment of Currency Call. Thank you for watching.